Hey everybody, it's Carter, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a zipper garage. Using a zipper garage in your product can tidy it up and make it look really beautiful, and it can also give you some added protection to your zipper. So in terms of supplies, today we have our standard DIYer's toolkit, as well as our 2.92 Dyneema Composite Fabric DZP kit. Let's get started. So to start off, we're going to attach our waterproof zipper as we normally would, with the shiny side down. We're going to make sure that our stitch is running as far away from the teeth of the zipper as possible, which means that it's right along the edge of the fabric and the zipper tape. So now that we've got our zipper sewn on, we're going to flip it back over, and we're going to create this little accordion flap fold. So this is just about a 1/4 inch of fabric that we're going to take and pinch over and then fold down on top of the zipper. And this makes it to where we can encapsulate our zipper garage right there on the zipper. As you can see, the webbing for our zipper garage is tacked down on one side. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to tuck in the piece of webbing into our accordion fold, and then we're going to sew down. So we've got the garage sewn in there, we've got the top stitch down, and now we're going to flip it inside out and finish the pouch. So now we've got our completed pouch and zipper garage. Keep in mind that this is just one way. Have fun with it, experiment, and enjoy the making process.
Yeah! First try. First try.
If you like this video, then you'll probably like our other content. Check us out on all of our other platforms, and as always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.